I'm attorney Corey Ludeman with RSH Legal. The older you are, the more likely you are to receive Social Security disability benefits. This is because it can be difficult for older workers to adjust to different types of work. The SSA realizes that a vocational adjustment or training to learn a new job is more difficult as you get older. They are more likely to approve disability for older Iowans because of this. The SSA has established a set of guidelines that help disability examiners determine whether or not a person is disabled. This process involves 5 questions that the SSA asks each claimant to determine if a person is disabled. 2 of the questions asked in the process are, can you do any of your previous types of work? And can you adjust to any other types of work? The SSA considers a variety of factors when answering these 2 questions. Your education, your skills, and your age are all important, as well as your residual functional capacity, or RFC. If you don't meet a medical impairment listing according to Social Security rules, then the SSA will look to something called the grids for information and guidance to determine if you're disabled. This grid is a chart with different rules applying to different age brackets and RFC levels. When looking at the grid, the SSA will consider the person's age, education, and their skill level and transferability of these skills to new jobs and their RFC levels. The grid is divided by each of these factors. The SSA divides applicants into these age groups. So younger individuals are ages 18 to 44, and also younger individual age 45 to 49. Closely approaching advanced age, ages 50 to 54, advanced age, ages 55 to 59, and closely approaching retirement age, 60 or over. Education is divided into 4 levels. Illiterate, unable to read or write. Limited education, meaning 11th grade or below, high school graduate or more, and then your skilled job education skill levels are figured into these types. Unskilled limits you to a very simple entry-level type of work. Semi-skilled or skilled skills are not transferable. You may be a skilled worker that does not have skills that transfer between jobs. For example, if you're an electrician, you're not likely to be able to teach middle school math. And semi-skilled or skilled with skills transferable, if you are highly educated and you have work skills that are easily transferable to other jobs, then you are less likely to be thought of as disabled. The residual functional capacity levels are broken basically into 4 levels. Sedentary work means sitting for most of the day. Light work, standing and walking around for most of the day, lifting 10 pounds frequently. Medium work, standing and walking for most of the day, lifting 25 pounds frequently. And heavy work, standing and walking most of the day, lifting 50 pounds or more frequently. The rules of the grid tend to favor those who are over 50 and have limited work skills. If you only have mental limitations or limitations related to the environment, like not being able to be exposed to chemicals, dusts, or smoke, the grids are less important to your disability ruling. While your advanced age can make it easier to get disability benefits, it is not a guarantee. If you have been denied disability benefits, an experienced Iowa Social Security disability lawyer can help fight against this ruling. RSH Legal offers free, no obligation case evaluations to Iowans who have been denied disability benefits. To schedule yours, call 1-800-433-0283.